pain in the spine that never goes away, limited moves that steal your freedom. Why does this continue, even after so many failed attempts at treatment? The answer may lie in a revolutionary technology that changes everything we know about spinal treatment. How is it possible, after years of suffering, to regain control of the body without losing mobility? Science now offers more efficient solutions, capable of returning an active and pain-free life. What is the secret of these new technologies, and how can they transform lives that seemed hopeless? Enjoyed this content? Then don't miss out on the other videos on my channel. I'm sure you'll find something that catches your interest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll stay updated with all the new content and help the channel grow even more. I'm counting on you. The search for an effective solution to spinal problems, such as chronic pain and movement limitations, has been a long and challenging journey for many people. However, the latest advances in the United States offer new hope. The introduction of robot-assisted surgeries is transforming the way these procedures are performed. With the use of small incisions and robotic precision, as in the case of the biportal endoscopic technique, patients can recover faster, without the long hospital stays that were once common. This level of accuracy not only reduces recovery time, but also decreases complications, offering a light at the end of the tunnel for those who have suffered for years with disabling pain. Another significant advance is the replacement of artificial discs, which is beginning to replace traditional methods of spinal fusion. For those who suffer from degenerative disc diseases, the idea of losing mobility has always been a constant fear. However, with this new technology, which mimics the natural movement of the spine, patients can maintain their flexibility and live a more active life, without the painful restrictions of before. This innovation brings real hope to those who believe that pain would be a constant companion for the rest of their lives. The TOP-STEM system, recently approved by the FDA, is bringing a real revolution to patients with spinal stenosis and spondylolisthesis. This system preserves the mobility of the spine, even after complex decompression surgeries, which was previously only possible through the fusion of the spine, which limited movement. Now, with TOP-STEM, patients can experience pain relief without sacrificing the ability to move freely. For those who have spent years with back and leg pain, this system holds true promise of a fuller, more active life without the limitations imposed by ancient techniques. But the innovations do not stop there. Researchers are developing wraparound implants that offer 360-degree stimulation and recording around the spinal cord, allowing for more precise control over spinal cord injuries. These implants are helping to restore lost motor functions, offering a new approach to treating injuries that were previously seen as irreversible. For those who have suffered a spinal injury and face the diagnosis of paralysis or permanent loss of movement, this new technology offers not only hope, but also the possibility of regaining independence. The future of spine treatment is more promising than ever. These advances, from the integration of robotics to the development of systems that preserve mobility, are transforming the lives of millions of people. For those who had already given up hope, these new treatments represent more than a medical solution. They are a new chance to live pain-free and with freedom of movement that once seemed impossible.